jacket on, which has tons of dog fur all on it. I just got into a little itty bitty cove. Saw a couple areas that kind of look like we had alligator tracks. So kind of making sure those guys kind of simmer down a little bit, and then I don't have a big huge gator pop up on me. Today I'm in a little cove area. And apparently with my sweater on, I'm a little bit fatter than I was. I gotta loosen that up, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie, I was already starting to gain a little weight. Putting on a sweater and then trying to put on a life vest didn't help any. But anyways, welcome to my channel if this is the first time you've ever come. Today we are out and about. We're over in Lake Apopka. I'm over in this little area that I was in the other day. I saw tons and tons of little songbirds. So I thought today, apparently it's not helping. It's not helping. Now this is embarrassing. This is just plumb embarrassing. So, oh, apparently this is where you go. Well, I got this thing all kafoofled. No wonder why it's not on me right. It's all twisted, and I think I've been on boats since I was 2 years old. I think I know how to put on a life preserver by now. But anyways, saw a bunch of songbirds in this area. Oh, that's nice and snug. I saw a bunch of songbirds in this area the other day, so I thought we'd come out here and see if we could find some songbirds. I did already see some anhingas. They kind of took off when I came over here. So I'm just going to there's an osprey flying over there. So I'm just going to kind of hang out, kind of wait a little bit, let them get used to me. The wind's coming from this direction, so it's coming this way towards me. So that means it'd be optimum for birds to fly in, because a lot of times the birds like to fly into the wind. And right over my shoulder here is where the little songbirds were the other day, so hopefully they'll pop up. You know, I do find it really difficult to shoot and photograph songbirds, really. I don't know them very well, mainly warblers and stuff like that. And there's this, like, I think it's an eastern kingbird. He's been coming around too. But it's really hard because they're in the thick of everything, right? They got all these, you know, we've talked about depth of field and how you need that extra distance and push in with your lens and get that compression going and everything. So it's a little bit more difficult to shoot the songbird. So it's like you almost have to kind of wait for a hole. You know, position yourself just so that you can find a hole where the bird can land, and then shoot behind and you know, or not shoot behind, but make sure there's nothing really far behind. Or yeah, you want to make sure there's nothing behind the bird and a little bit further, so that way you can get that nice bokeh. So anyways, I hear the birds. Now it's just a matter of waiting for them to show up and just enjoy this beautiful morning. I mean, honestly, that's it. Oh wow, talking about gators. That's a nice sized gator over there. Let me see if I can get my lens on it. Let me see. I'll get the big lens. Oh, I hear a kingfisher. All right, let's see if I can get this gator. Hang on. Whew, that is a big boy. I've been talking normal like this entire time, and then all of a sudden I see a gator. I'm like, oh, let me whisper like he hadn't heard me before. He's like, oh, she might take a photograph of me. Everybody. But we're gonna see what I can get here. Whew, all I guys stay over here. We're all good. Alright, let's see if I can photograph them. I don't know if you guys can see them. Okay, so I'm having a hard time finding him, so I'm just gonna go to photo instead of video. Now, how is it that on photo I find him right away, but you put me on video and I can't find him? It makes no sense. Okay, let's do this. As long as I don't see any babies, I'll stay. Cause I mean, he's staying over here. Yeah, I'm gonna stay over here. But if I see baby gators, then I'll go ahead and leave, because that means that there's a nest around, and they're definitely more aggressive when there's a nest around. One of those, I think those eastern blackbirds. He's right over here. I'm gonna go ahead and try. Oh, the birds are coming in. All right, I'm gonna try to get some shots of these little guys for you. I just saw a night heron. So anyways, I didn't bring enough battery. So now I'm down to my handheld, which is fine. I'm in a pretty little cove. Show you guys. Alright. Not much is happening. Kingfisher. I'll be back. I heard him. He's over there. Alright, let me see if I can get this, okay? He did this to me the other day. It's almost like deja vu. Kingfisher comes in. And I was sitting there, I didn't even have my camera on me. I was just resting. And he comes in and he's flying. It would have been the best shot ever. Oh, there he goes. He's doing it again. I don't know. Wait a minute, let me see. He gets up in this tree. And my boat's here. And he's over there. And I don't have a clear shot. And what he's gonna do, because he did this yesterday, or he did this the other day. He comes in, he lands over here on this tree over here. I couldn't get a shot of him. And he lands over there on that tree over there. I don't know if you guys can see him. Oh, the tracking is so trying to track me. Stop tracking me. Alright, so anyways, let me see if I can get this though. Okay. So then he lands on that tree, which is not a clear shot. And then he goes in the water. Oh. And the DJI thing didn't move, the video didn't move, but so he'll land in the water, but then I'm here. Oh, there's a raccoon. Hang on. Okay, yo, it's like Disney. I didn't even get a chance to get the raccoon. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's a little raccoon over there. And I'm not very good at this DJI thing. It like the Osmo, it likes to follow me. Alright, well. Kingfisher's gone. We just had a raccoon come by. Man, what an awesome morning. I'm not as quick with this camera about trying to get it to photo things as I am like if I had the other camera, so my apologies. Oh man, but what a fantastic morning. Alright, I'm gonna put the video camera down and maybe focus on photo so I can get you guys some photos of all the wonderful things that are popping up. Alright. I'm almost wondering if I should position myself to see if I can get the Kingfisher, but I don't see him. guys stay over here, respect the wildlife. Kingfisher's back. Let me see if I can get some shots. I just want you guys to listen. There's like 6+ species of sounds going on right now. How cool is that? I haven't seen the tufted titmouse yet. I spotted the cardinals, but I couldn't get to them. Gotten plenty of pictures of the gray blue-gray gnatch catchers. Alright, I just wanted you guys to hear all the birds. Alright, well, I guess that's kind of the end of our adventure today. Saw a lot of the normal birds, but I was really trying to go after songbirds, but I got some shots of them. They're definitely a lot harder to take pictures of because they are so tiny and they are so fast, and they, right by the time you get on them, the focus is having issues and you get the stick instead of them. But that's part of the challenge of taking pictures of birds. You never know what you're gonna be up against, whether it be the wind and the elements, and it's gonna be sticks or whatever it is gonna be. It is really bright. I have no idea why I chose to say goodbye to you guys and wrap everything up in the bright sun. But anyways, it has been a beautiful day. Thank you so much for joining, you guys. If you like this little adventure, it's kind of a backyard adventure for me. But if you enjoyed it, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. Remember, if you want to go on fun-filled adventures, learn about nature and photography, please make sure that you guys go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so that way you don't miss any other future episodes. And I want you guys, I know I keep on scanning because you just never know when a gator's gonna pop up around here. So I definitely, like to keep an eye on that. But anyways, I want you guys to know that you are awesome. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your week, and I'll see you later, alligator.